Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell Home RLV4305 thermostat and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this thermostat is not working or doesn't seem to be connecting or working the way it's supposed to, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. You will need to set everything up again because it will be wiped to its factory default settings. The other reason that you might want to do this is just because of that. You want to get it wiped everything off of it because you want to set this up in a new home, or just for whatever reason you want it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite simply. So all we need to do is the thermostat needs to be in standby mode. So if it's not in standby mode, we'll just hit the mode button until it toggles through to standby. And once it's in the standby, we're just going to come over and press the back button and press and hold it for about 6 seconds. So basically, you're just going to press and hold it until you'll see on the screen, it will actually pop up with an RST on it, indicating that it's resetting, at which point you can let go of the back button, allow it to complete its reset, and you can go ahead and set this thermostat up as though it were a brand new thermostat.